Good morning to the respected guardians of the world, Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi, Prime Minister of India, a prominent figure full of wisdom and an extremely amazing thought for the country. Vladimir Putin, the President of Russia, in the path of humanity and true friendship. Donald Trump, the President of USA, and Keir Starmer, the Prime Minister of Britain, and all the other leaders of the countries of the world who believe in humanity and spiritual truth. I request to them to take action on the points that I am giving for the sake of the world. One of the greatest problems in the world, the global problem, is the bigotedness of Muslims, the religion changing Christians, and the silence of Sanatan Dharma. First, it comes bigotedness of Muslims. There are some countries like Qatar and Indonesia in which Muslims agree every religion. Like in the currency of Indonesia, Lord Ganpati is printed. But in Asia and Europe, some Muslims worship terrorists like Babar and Aurangzeb as Allah. They beat and kill other religions people. In Quran, they say other people's other religions kafir. Even in Quran, there are very rough words for the other religion of people. Even in namaz, which Muslims read 5 times, theorists say that there are no religion rather than Muslim. Next is the religion changing Christian. We have seen Christians that gave life for humanity, but here are some Christians and their organization that just think to make the whole world Christian. They take the advantage of the poor persons, and in greed they change their religions. The organization pays millions of dollars for making the poor persons greedy and changing their religion. Why don't they just help the peoples without changing their religion if they don't want to and show humanity? But now that Christian has to think about their own country, because in some countries of Europe and North America, cities like the heart of UK, London, and the big apple of US, New York City, has been slowly controlled by bigot Muslims. So they have to think about their own countries rather than making other countries religion change. Here I also criticize the Hindu who in greediness change their religion. The Hindu who sold their respect and religion. Like the previous government of Nepal who replaced Hindu Rashtra by Dharma Nirapekshata. These all are being because of greed, and the peoples of Nepal are still sleeping. They don't do anything but just see. Now I humbly request to the leaders of Nepal, the parties of Nepal, and the sleeping peoples of Nepal to wake up and save our Sanatan Dharma. I also request to the government or Prime Minister of Nepal, Susila Karki, to take action on such bigot Muslims and religion changing Christians. At last, I request to the guardians of the world to take action on such bigot Muslims and religion changing Christians. We have to scare that bigot Muslims and religion changing Christians legally and for the sake of our world. They have to think Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinam, meaning the whole world should be in peace. At last, I request to take action on such persons. If we don't take action now, I know the countries will be wiped out, and further the world will be in trouble. So thank you.